If you've ever sat through a land acknowledgement in Canada and thought, this is just symbolic, I need you to understand something very clearly. The courts no longer see it that way. So, a couple of really interesting updates on the land acknowledgement stuff as it relates to Canadian real estate and property rights. And it seems like you guys like this because my two most viewed videos on YouTube now are in regards to this. So, I figured I'd continue updating you as it pertains to real estate and property. The two notable updates that I'm going to go through today are that the BC government is now going to be offering loan guarantees to property owners within the Aboriginal title area, which seems to be a step further in the direction of accepting this phenomena. And then also, sort of in the opposite direction, top New Brunswick court just removed some private forest land from a land claim and basically stipulated that they can seek financial compensation, but they can't seek title of that land. So you can look up land claims on a provincial website, but one of the reasons that I've been going so deep on this is we're building a new feature at Valerie.ca that lets buyers and sellers check land claim risk by address. It's in beta and it's not on the public site yet. So if you want access, make sure you click the link in the description or at the end of this video to try it out. Once you're actually on the Valerie website, from clicking the link, you just click on the Valerie logo in the bottom right hand corner. That's our AI assistant. And you basically just put in, is there an Indigenous land claim risk on my property located at, and then just type in the address and it'll answer your question for you based on all of the research that we've done for videos like this, as well as what's publicly available on all the provincial and federal websites. And a recent article from David Frum in The Atlantic captures this really well. He talks about how if you attend a public event in Canada, it usually opens the same way. This place is the unceded ancestral territory of, and most people treat this like a civic ritual. It's polite, it's harmless, it's something that you stand through, as he describes it, like an old invocation before a town hall. But over the past few months, Canadian courts have started treating those words as legal admissions, not metaphor, not history, but property law. And the consequences are already very real. In British Columbia, a court decision in the summer effectively subordinated land titles across 800 acres near Vancouver to a newly declared Aboriginal title.